Learning content summary Sila 2. Believe in God the Father Almighty. This module emphasizes the faith of God as Father Almighty, and the Creator is not just a belief, but a lived relationship. As His children, Latronites are called to recognize God as Father. He creates, provides, redeems, and dwells within us, shaping our identity and destiny. Acknowledge God Almighty power. His greatness is universal, expressed in compassionate love, and remains a mystery when faced the suffering and evil. Honor God as Creator. All life originates from Him, and His ongoing acts of creation calls us to care for the environment as our common home.